Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SendGrid to AWS SES, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect SendGrid to AWS SES, start by creating an AWS account if you haven't already. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS SES service. Verify a domain or email address in AWS SES. Click on Domains in the left sidebar. Select Verify a new domain. Enter your domain name and click Verify this domain. Copy the TXT record, go to your domain registrar's control panel. Add the TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Return to the AWS SES console and click Verify. Once verified, note your AWS SES SMTP credentials. Visit the SendGrid website and log in to your account. Navigate to the Settings section in your SendGrid dashboard. Select API keys and create a new API key. Copy the newly created API key. In the SendGrid dashboard, go to Settings, then Mail Settings. Select SMTP Relay and toggle it on. Enter your AWS SES SMTP endpoint. Fill in your username and password fields with your AWS SES SMTP credentials. Update the port number to 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL. Click Save to store your settings. Test the connection by sending a test email from SendGrid. Check your email inbox to confirm the delivery of the test email. If the email is delivered successfully, your connection is established. If there are issues, revisit each step to ensure accuracy. Congratulations, you've successfully connected SendGrid to AWS SES. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.